again hoodwink Kenyans one more time. Ya pili, niseme, Fred Matiang'i has demonstrated in the past that he's enthusiastic to work. He has demonstrated he is a worker. He's demonstrated he is a worker. He's result oriented. Si mambo ya perepere juu ya gari. Yeye ni mtu anafanya kazi. Unaelewa? No. Akiwa Ministry of Education, we know what he did. Akiwa Ministry of Interior, we have seen what he has done. Like many people say, there is no one who is an angel. There are things he may have overdone, or there are things that are being claimed that he did, which are not true. But what we are saying, Kenya needs a renaissance. My friend Caleb Missy likes talking about renaissance. And for me, the person who can help us, he is not an angel. Who can help us first remove William Ruto, and then the Kwareli kwa line is Fred Matiang'i. Why? Because he has demonstrated that in the past. Anybody else has gotten a chance and they haven't done it. Kwa wale ambao wako na yeye at the top. So the opposition is united, first to make sure Ruto goes. Number two, to bring Kenyans to trust the civil service, to trust the police, to trust government. And then deal with the urgent and practical issues. And I've told you the major ones are food security, health care, education. Infrastructure can be worked on as and when money is available. Huyu analazimisha infrastructure because that is where they eat from. Hata we kwako, the days you are doing construction, ukianza ujenzi wa nyumba yako, on the days you have money, you push, unasema lazima niifikishe kwa rentals. Ukifika hapo fedha ikisha, you take a break. You don't force. Kwako nyumbani, there are days you want to eat a protein. Protein ile expensive ni nyama. Utaikula, ukule. Siku ila una fedha, what do? You eat eggs or beans. You understand? Yeah. So these are some of the things people need to think about. Huyu analazimisha lazima housing ifanywe because ni kukula. Barabara lazima zifanywe ni kukula. Kitu fulani, ujenzi fulani lazima ufanywe ni kukula. They don't look at, can we stop this and pay capitation? Unaona analazimisha lazima state house iwe renovated every year. State lodges ziwe renovated every year. As in offices zake, office ya deputy president, you know, it is absurd. These are people who do not think about Kenyans. They are thinking about themselves. Yeah? And I want to tell you, ukisoma Biblia vizuri, utaona kuna rula mmoja, ndakutumia, ambaye alikuwa anatumia kifua kama William Ruto. Lakini ilifika wakati, akakuwa na kitu inaitwa self-destruction. Now William Ruto, when he will realize, I hope one day he watches these clips, and his people, they stop being petty, kiddish and nonsensical, and start listening with a third eye, and understand the issues we are talking about. Because they are so obsessed with stealing and getting another chance to steal that they don't read between the lines. They should stop hating and start listening, and that can help them change a few things that can help them be even competitive in 2027. Yes. Na
Maraga yuko pale, Matiang'i yuko pale. Mambo ni yepi pia?
We support Maraga. It is his civic duty, it is his right to run for office. Lakini sisi kama jamii tumeweka weight yetu nyuma ya Matiang'i kutoka Kisii. Na Matiang'i is not a candidate of the Kisii community. Matiang'i is a candidate of Kenyans, because hao ndio walianza kumuitisha during the Gen Z movement. Na ukiangalia katika polls, pali ameshinda President William Ruto mainly ni Mount Kenya, yeye ndio leading. Of course Kisii, even Nyanza, ile what I can call Luo Nyanza, amemshinda. Western amemshinda. So he's a Kenyan, he's a candidate of Kenyans. Na mimi nimekuambia, we deal with polls, serious polls. Atufanye siasa hii ya vipindi na propaganda. Hata wewe nimekuambia, ingia taxi hapa